Hi guys, today we're going to make siomai wrapper. We need 200 grams all-purpose flour and 150 ml of water, including egg, and half teaspoon of salt. So now I'm gonna put this egg into the water. The total quantity of this water and egg is 150 ml or 150 ml of liquid. So I'm just gonna mix it, the egg. I'm gonna put it into the bowl. Put some salt. And I'm gonna put my flour. First, I just put 100 grams of flour. I'm gonna mix it for a few minutes, and then after that I'm gonna add another 100 grams of flour. So I'm just gonna sift it like this and then mix. So now I am going to knead this dough for at least 3 to 5 minutes. And if you think that the dough is still watery, you may add a little bit more flour. You may adjust the texture if the dough is too watery. Now start to work on your working table and start to knead the dough for at least few minutes more. After a few minutes, the dough is gonna be like this. So now this is the perfect texture. Little tight and a little bit dry. So now this is ready. After a few minutes, you need to put it back in the bowl and make the dough rest for at least 1 hour. So now I'm going to flatten the dough into a circular shape or round shape. There are many ways on how you flatten the dough. First, you may use regular rolling pin or rolling pins. So this is the traditional way of how to flatten the dough. There's also another way on how to flatten the dough by using this pasta machine or pasta maker. On this machine, there are until 6 level of tiniest levels. So I'm gonna do until 6th level, until the 6th level, until the tiniest I can make. So while doing this, keep on dusting the dough using flour. And keep on flattening the dough. And to shape this, I am going to use this ring. So this is at least 3 centimeter in diameter. Look how easy and fast if you have this kind of ring. To pile up all of the round dough, you need the cornstarch and sprinkle on top of it. It makes the dough not stick with each other if you put this cornstarch, so put it generously. So guys, that 200 grams of flour, it can make you at least 50 pieces of siomai wrapper. So keep doing until you finish all the dough and just piling up like this. So now this is the finished product. And guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please click that like button, and please also subscribe on my channel if you are new here, and thank you very much for watching.